Another brand within the House of Royal portfolio is going to be Victoria+Albert. This is going to be our bathtub and sink collection that is curated in South Africa, made of a limestone composite. It's one of the most durable materials on the market, made to last. They last over 2 decades. They have a 97% heat retention over an hour. Our Victoria+Albert bathtubs they are very lightweight for their material and composition. You don't have to worry about your contractor having to get them up the stairs or up to a skyscraper. That is no challenge for them. They are on average about 160 pounds, but they are meant to last. They are very durable and have a 97% heat retention over an hour. We also offer a variety of designs that you can't go wrong with. In addition to the designs, you have over 194 colors you can choose from to really make that inspiration come to life. If you want to feel how comfortable a Victoria+Albert bathtub is for yourself, please stop by a Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in either Calabasas, Studio City, Torrance, or Costa Mesa.